In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subteam in a task in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log in to your Wrike account, so go ahead and open the Wrike website. You'll see a login button. Click on that, and then sign into your account. If you find it easier, you can use your linked Google credentials for a quick and hassle-free sign-in. Now that you're logged in, it's time to locate the main task where you want to create your subteam. Navigate over to the folder or project that contains this primary task. This is important because you want to make sure you're adding your subteam to the right place. Look around, find your folder or project, and pinpoint the specific task you're about to break down into a more manageable segment. Great, you've found your main task. Now let's expand those task options. Look for the drop-down arrow that's located next to your task's name. Go ahead and click that arrow. This will give you a list of options related to your task. Among these options, keep an eye out for Add Subitem or Add Subtask. This is where the magic begins. Once you spot the Add Subitem button, give it a click. This action will open up an editable field. Here's where you can be creative and strategic. Type in a clear name that represents the specific responsibilities or phases of the subteam you're setting up. Make sure it's something descriptive so that everyone on your team can quickly understand what this subitem or subtask is all about. After you've chosen the perfect name, you'll want to finalize your subitem. To do that, simply press Enter on your keyboard. This quick action saves the new subitem you just created. Voila! You now have a subteam segment under your main task. But hold on, we're not done yet. The fun part is just about to begin. Now that your subitem is in place, you can start assigning specific team members to this task. To do this, just click on the subitem and look for the option to assign people. This ensures that the right individuals are responsible for this part of the project. Additionally, it's a good idea to set deadlines for this smaller segment. You can easily do this by clicking on the due date field in the subitem settings. Setting clear deadlines helps keep your team on track and ensures that everyone knows what they need to accomplish and by when. So there you have it. You've successfully created a subteam within a task in Wrike. It's a simple yet effective way to break down larger projects into manageable parts. This not only enhances productivity, but also provides clarity for everyone involved. If you have any questions about this process or want to see more tutorials like this one, leave a comment below. And again, if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for tuning in, and happy